What's going on, guys? Leon Bratz here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a simple overlay for your live stream which shows how many people are currently listening to your songs on Spotify. This overlay is extremely useful for when you've just released a song on Spotify and you're having a live music release party on your live stream, whether that be on Twitch, YouTube, etc. Okay, so let's jump onto the PC and let's go and get this overlay set up. Let's go. Okay, so we're onto the PC now, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is head over to Spotify for Artists, get logged into that, get signed into that, and then this is what we're going to be targeting just here. This is the only bit that we're going to use. So the next step you're going to want to do is literally make this as small as possible, and you're going to use a corner of one of your monitors or one of your screens that's just out the way, but make sure nothing is going to be covering this. This needs to be visible to you on the screen at all times. Then the next step that you're going to want to do is come over to Streamlabs or OBS. You're going to come into the sources section just here and click on add a new source. Then you're going to click on display capture. There, I did try it with window capture or browser source. It didn't really work as well as I wanted it to. But yeah, you're going to want to click on display capture just there like so. Click on add source, click on new source, and then you're going to say Spotify listeners, for example. If I can actually spell that correctly, that'd be good. There we go. Add source. And then the next step is to select the correct monitor. For me, this is display 1, so I'm just going to click on that, hit done, and then click on Spotify listeners, and then drag this so it's nice and small. I know you're going to see a huge inception of Streamlabs at the moment, but yeah, I'm very sorry. And then you're going to resize this window. So if you just hold down Alt on your keyboard, and then you can drag that just like that. Drag the bottom up there. And then you're going to drag this one down just here, like so. Then we're going to make this a bit bigger, so it's a little bit easier to see. Resize it again, holding down Alt. And there we go. And now you can drag this around the screen, wherever you need it to be on your stream. And that is it. That is literally it. Now, if I bring Streamlabs over to the left a little bit, you can see that the 0 people listening now is still staying there. That's exactly where that's going to be on your stream. And if I just bring over another tab, say, let's just bring over this. This is Ableton, for example. If I now put this over the top of that display capture just there, you can see that it actually changes the display capture that we've just made. So you can't have anything over the top of it. And yeah, use a different screen that you're not using. I'm just using the same screen, like my main screen, for demo purposes only. But I will literally use it on another screen, right out of the way, tucked up in the corner, which I'm never going to put anything over the top of it. And that's it. That is literally it. So there we go, guys. That was how to set up your overlay for current listeners on Spotify onto your live stream, whether that is on Twitch or YouTube. If you did enjoy this video, then please do smash the like button as hard as you can. Subscribe down below for more videos like this every single week. And I'll see you next week. Take it easy. Peace.